The hotel today I would like to talk about is the Legacy Dhaka. It is situated in the airport road. The the hotel is actually quite big. It has a very open courtyard in the middle. The rooms are quite luxurious and the bed is quite nice. The interior looks quite good also. I actually like the amenities the hotel provides for free, such as a lint gel, sandals, and bed covers sometimes. Those feel quite good. I also admire the nice facilities the hotel provides, some of which include the rooftop terrace, the laundry, and an indoor swimming pool. I actually think that the hotel is actually quite expensive relative to the other hotels situated in the area. But even if it is an expensive hotel, I would rather stay in the Legacy Dhaka compared to other hotels just due to the good quality service it provides. That's all I would have to talk about today.
Well, thank you.